your question, okay? All right, so now I got, everybody understands now, right? I got this, here's my demand curve, and I got all these indifference curves that are maximized along the demand curve, right? Basically, these are the average, some kind of average value schedules, and these are the marginal value schedule. Yeah?
Can I ask a question about the indifference curve?
Sure.
So if we draw a horizontal line crossing those indifference curve, then it actually intersects at 2 points where at the same price, quantity is low and quantity is high. And how can those two be indifferent?
Because one I'm buying too much and the other I'm buying too little. Think about it as this way. You go to the restaurant, you'd like to optimally at this price drink 6 beers, okay?
But you can always take home.
No, I mean, they're going to make you drink them when you're there, okay? Right? Yeah, whatever. Yeah, I mean, so the answer is, even if you could take them home, though, it doesn't change it, right? You have to buy the extra ones. There's an optimal number I want. If you force me to take more than I want, you got to lower the price. If you force me to take less than I want, you got to lower the price.
And here the deal is the more is not always the better.
No, because you have to pay for them, remember.
No,
At the same total spending, more is better than less. At the same price per unit, more isn't necessarily better than less.
What I'm saying is at that horizontal line, the price we're...
Okay.
Oh, okay, I see.
You remember, you're paying for every unit. Right? At the same total expenditure, more is preferred to less. At the same price per unit, more is preferred to less if you're below the quantity you want to buy, and less is preferred to more if you're above your quantity you want to buy. Right? Everybody understand? That's the whole key. The whole key is more is only preferred to less as long as you're below how many you want to buy when you have to pay per unit. That's the idea. Okay? Yeah, if you can't go out and buy more, if you can't go out and supplement with something else. If you can go out and supplement, then it'll be flat to the left because you can always get back to where you want to be. Or if you can resell, then it'll be flat the whole way because if you can just buy all the ones they give you and then sell the ones you don't want. So you have to assume this is actually driving your consumption. And there are many examples where that makes sense. Like think about like work or something like that, or it's going to turn out most of the time. I'm going to do the theory in a minute. The left-hand side is kind of irrelevant for most problems that we're going to deal with, but I'll try to explain that in a minute. Okay? All right.